Hi guys, I wanted to record this video as an update to the last market update I did on a fractal that appears to be playing out in the Bitcoin market at the moment. I'm seeing it coming to a crunch at the moment, so I wanted to bring an update to that just so you guys could be prepared for what may happen over the next few days to a week. So it is very important because a lot of people in the market are just massively bullish at the moment, and I am bullish medium term. Short term, I'm a little bit unsure. So I just want to bring you a different perspective in case it may help you kind of analyze all probabilities in the market at the moment. So if that sounds interesting, then please keep watching. My name is Michael, and I use my skills and experience as an ex-developer, tech entrepreneur, investor, and trader to bring you non-hyped information on how to create profit and build wealth from cryptocurrency investing. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get any of my future videos. Okay, so let's jump into the charts. And the first thing I want to highlight is when I did the initial video, we were about here. Okay, so we're about at the top. I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see the fractal back here leading up to the April-May drop, and then this fractal here. So I plotted this as per my last video, and I was about here when I did the last video. So it did overshoot the mark a little bit, but it dropped, pretty much exactly down to this level. It did overshoot, which typically happens because there's a lot of leverage traders and you do get a lot of liquidation, so the price does overshoot a little bit. And then look, we've actually had a bounce up here. Now look, it is a day or two late than that, but that is kind of panning out very close to what the fractal it was plotted to work out as. So we can also see that there is still this bearish divergence here. Got the price going up here and it ducking down here. So that's obviously working in favor of this situation. There's a couple other things worth pointing out here as well. If we do throw a fib on this from the bottom to the top, and we just drill down a little bit there, we'll see that the golden pocket here is at about 49,200, which does really align with previous kind of support and resistance over here as well. So that is definitely something to keep an eye on as well. Now if we do look at plotting some downside targets here, if we just draw another fib here and just do this as an extension or as an expansion as it's known, and we get some Fibonacci levels down the bottom, and I'll also do a fib extension as well. And so if that was to hit up around that golden pocket, then what I'm seeing is there's definitely some overlapping levels down here. So there's quite a strong level here, which is a 50% expansion at the 38,000 level. I'm also seeing a couple levels here down at 36.6. Definitely seeing a fair bit here of correlation here at about 42.7. Yeah, a little bit here, kind of 39 as well. So these are all key levels that if we do see this fractal play out, this is where I think the price is going to pull back. I don't think it's necessarily going to get all the way down to 36.4 unless some kind of major news does come out. But I know for me, I do have orders stacked at these levels just in case we do have a pullback there. What I would expect to see, and this could even happen in the next 24 to 48 hours, is if this is going to play out, you would expect to see a wick up here coming up into this golden pocket, getting rejected, and then potentially that could stop or start the flow down. So that's what I'm keeping an eye out for. If we do get into this golden pocket and we see some resistance there, I'll probably be opening a short position as well, because most of my portfolio is long. I'm like more than 80% long at the moment, and I will look to take a little bit of profit on some of the altcoin holdings as well, just to hedge in case we do see this play out. Just to be clear, medium term, I am in the bullish camp. I do believe that it's possible that we're going to over 100k by the end of the year. I just think that there's a lot saying to me that there's going to be one more pullback. It will fit perfectly with this fractal. A lot of the on-chain stuff is pretty bullish at the moment, so there's not a massive amount of evidence saying that this is going to happen. So this is why I don't, have a large part of my position that is in stablecoin waiting for this, but it is something that I'll definitely will not be surprised if it plays out. It will scare a lot of people into thinking we're going into a bear run. There will be a bunch of liquidations through here as well. We might even get a spike even lower, and I think it'll be enough to scare a lot of people out of the market that the bulls and the whales will continue to accumulate a lot before we start to go into this next stage of the bull run. So look, obviously no guarantees this is going to play out. I'm not basing my portfolio on the fact this is going to play out, just with so many people that are just abundantly bullish at the moment. I just wanted to make this point to just give you another possible view on the market so that you can plan your portfolio accordingly. So yeah, we'll leave it there for now, and yeah, hopefully whatever happens, you're well positioned for that. So I'm going to wrap this video up there. If you did like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel to get all my future videos, and thank you, and we'll catch you next time.